Welcome back students. Latest examination pattern for class 12th English core, and we will be discussing about term 2 examination, and which is meant for 2002-1 to 2002-2. Here you will be learning that what kind of questions you will be having in your examination pattern, your blueprint, how much marks will be assigned to the particular questions and all that. Firstly, we will be having the reading passages, and in the reading section you will be given two passages. One is completely based on MCQ one liner question, or in the form of gap filling, complete the statement, and you will be having vocabulary enrichment question. Here you will be given some sort of synonyms or antonyms. सेकेंड जो आपका रीडिंग पैसेज रहेगा विच इज़ बेस्ड ऑन केस स्टडी, जिसमें आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग लेवल, आपके डाटा एनालिसिस के बेस पे, आपको पाई चार्ट के बेस पे यू विल बी गिवन one passage, and on the basis of that they are going to test or analyze your understanding and your comprehensive skills. Okay, next you are having section B. Section B is which is meant for writing section. In 12th class you do not have any portion of grammar. In writing section you will be given two compositions. First one is that is short composition. Here you will be given invitation cards और उनके replies. वो फॉर्मल भी हो सकते हैं, आपके इनफॉर्मल भी हो सकते हैं. सो बी रेडी फॉर द सेम, बट नो डाउट you will be given choice and option will be given to you. And if we talk about long composition, you will be given job application letter, or you will be given report writing which is completely based on school magazine, जो स्कूल के events or activities, any sort of competitions, exhibitions, such sort of incidents which take place in your school or in your society, that sort of questions will be given to you. Okay, और एक आपका resume जिसमें आप ड्रॉप करते हो, अपना resume क्रिएट करते हो, अपने बायोडाटा क्रिएट करते हो. So that sort of letter writing will be given as a sort of job application. And if we talk about section C, which is meant for literature, that will comprise of two sections. One is आपका 11 marks की आपकी फ्लेमिंगो होगी, and विस्तास will be meant for 7 marks. And here if we talk about फ्लेमिंगो की प्रोस में से जो हमारे चैप्टर्स हैं, द रेड ट्रैप एंड इंडिको, एंड फ्लेमिंगो बुक से जो हमारी पोम्स की कलेक्शन है, अ थिंग ऑफ ब्यूटी एंड आंट जेनिफर्स टाइगर्स. एंड damn sure these are really very interesting chapters which you like the most, and I feel that you must have done the preparation for the same. और जो हमारे लाइफ स्किल से कनेक्टेड हैं ये चैप्टर्स. एंड इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट विस्तास बुक, इसमें भी आपके मोटिवेशनल चैप्टर्स हैं. फर्स्ट वन है आपका शुड विजिट हिट मॉमी, देन ऑन द फेस ऑफ इट, इवांस ट्राइज एंड ओ लेवल एंड ऑल दैट. And special note is there for that all these questions comprise of 40 marks and ASL. So 10 marks is meant for your internal assessment, and which will include your ASL. ASL means assessment of speaking and listening, जिसमें आपके speaking और listening के activities के base पे आपके जो 10 marks है वो इसमें merge होते हैं, adjust होते हैं. But make sure that you are supposed to prepare yourself for all variety of questions you may get. See, you have to focus on present scenario. प्रेजेंट सिनेरियो आपका कुछ भी हो, आपका जो पेपर का पैटर्न होगा यू आर गोइंग टू गेट इन द सेम मैनर. सो मेक योर सेल्फ प्रिपेयर फॉर MCQ बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस, शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस, वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस. You may also get long answer type questions in the form of life skills, कि what kind of message, what kind of life skills you have learned from the particular chapters. Okay, and it will be completely based on your understanding. So good luck for your examination, and may the luck be in your favor. Thank you so much.